Food on board is so important for guests. Being able to have that 24-hour operation, fresh breads and pastries in the morning, all the way through to the evening time. The rules of food can be taken anywhere and developed and tailored for the guests themselves. Tailoring the menus towards tasting menus, being able to deliver relaxed pizza menus on the main deck aft and turn it into sushi stations, open live barbecues. And that's the playground and the starting point to what Renaissance can offer.
The amount of dining spaces that we have on the boat is one thing that really attracts guests to our boat.
The main deck aft is probably one of the most popular. It's one of the areas where you can really get the family together, and we have the chefs out there cooking.
That live cooking demonstration where they can clearly see their fresh produce and it being cooked in front of them really is like the showstopper, for many services that we have on board Renaissance.